Welcome to Echotraders, a trade that we're in on the YM on the last days of the 12-15 contract. We're in the Echotraders training room. Is YM long. Why we're showing this here particular contract is that we put a lot of detail into this contract. We're also in the new contract. So this is we put the stair steps on here, your win to risk ratio. This here trade is now at 5-1. You can see the 5-1 here. And we're going to show you the upper targets. I don't have a pause button on this here, so we'll see if the upper target. So what we're looking for here is an upper target of approximately 7.5 to 1, 7.25. We're going to show you 7-1. This is a stair step process. Know that there was a money off here, and there was different ways to handle that money off with, we talked about reversals in the room, etc. This is a money off, and this here next one is the target. This is approximately 7.25, and see if we can get to there. And 7.25 represents 7.25 win to 1 risk. So you risk 1 unit. We'll look for an exhaustion. We're going to go to the next stair step up here. We'll move that up one more. Hang on. Won't be a straight line, but you'll see that puts us at a little more than 8. We wanted to see 9-1 here today. This is 8-1 win. And this year would be 9, just past exhaustion. Nine. Now that's a far cry from where you used to be as a trader, and you look for exhaustion somewhere around 17,621. We'll see if we can get up there. That's quite a little stretch from here, and the market is having trouble breaking the 100. Good enough to be 0, good enough to be 100. Let's see if the market can get up through there. And like I say, that's 5-1. So all you're doing is now, this is the second trip up here. So the first trip, we were looking for the market to stumble around 17,547. It came a little bit beyond 17,547. The market came to 6 ticks beyond. All right. This is something that we look for in a market, is approximately 6 ticks beyond your target. Once the market reaches your 6 ticks beyond your target and you get a pullback and the market pulled back, then we look for our targets back down to support. This is where we found our support at. And we trade support back up to resistance. That's the whole idea of support and resistance, is to trade it. If you decide not to trade it, you decided not to trade your plan. Your plan, when it implements at support, you trade long. At resistance, you look at trading short. If resistance is broken, and in this case, it's trying to break resistance, then you hang on. If you break resistance, you're good to go. So we're going to call this part 1, and we'll come back and give you part 2.